We're back on the boat again, this time for a private snorkeling tour. The sea is a little choppy today, so it took a while for our guides to find us a good spot to dive in. After some back and forth, we found our spot. We're told this is frequented by the Manta Rays, so we are hoping to meet one. In we go. The visibility isn't great, possibly because of the rough seas, and it does feel rather intimidating swimming in such open waters without a group. You know, safety in numbers and all that. So these are the corals. Without taking away any of their beauty, we did expect something more colorful and we were hoping to see more fish around. We're still hoping to see that manta ray passing by. Fingers crossed. Still no manta rays. Where are you? These are jellyfish. We were told by our guide they do not sting, but they do cause an itchy rash, so we are avoiding them. Oop, that's a stingray. At least it's our consolation prize, since the manta rays are a no-show. Keep on swimming, keep on swimming. Hello from our sunset spot, our net. Let's show them the situation. So,
Day 4 update. So this morning we started with breakfast as usual, but today we had a snorkeling trip, which was interesting, however maybe not up to our expectations, mainly because we sort of expected more colorful corals and diverse sea life, but it didn't deliver so much. I mean, we saw different fish, yes, and a stingray at some point, but sort of we expected, like maybe turtles or a reef shark, or anyway, but not as lucky as yesterday, but still interesting. Then
we relaxed by the pool.
yeah.
Yes, we relaxed by the pool until it was time for our spa massage.
Yeah, we did a couples massage for a 90-minute massage,
which was pretty spot on.
Yeah.
Very good.
For myself, I requested it to be a little bit more sort of deep and intense, which I think was delivered pretty well. So it was good.
So the massage is today's win.
Yeah. So now we're just here relaxing at our villa, waiting for the sun to set. We noticed the tide is extremely low today. Look, so
the black things, dots.
That's all part of the reef.
They are not usually visible. This is our sunset spot.
Yeah.
Then after sunset,
for
dinner.
Yeah, we'll have dinner again. Yeah. So far, the Maldives is treating us pretty well. So we'll see you again soon.
Ciao. All in all, it was still a good day here in the Maldives. By the way, do you pronounce it Maldives or Maldives? Tell us in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow our trip as we explore more of what the Maldives has to offer.